not really. Being in a political atmosphere, like my husband, my father-in-law were there, my whole family is in it. So that area, that atmosphere was still there. But by the time I used to take out time for my family, my kids, my husband also, because he was very busy in his routine and he didn't get much time with the family. So, then I thought, okay, one person should be at the forefront for the political area, and one person should be at the family side, because as you know, my both of my in-laws, they are getting old. Actually, no, that 4th March is, in my personal life, it's a political appearance as of a Kalpana Murmu Soren. And this, there was so much emotion was running out, because the day before, the third March was my birthday, and on that particular, I got a chance to meet Hemant ji in jail. So we shared so much emotion, and he said, "Ki, don't worry, because I'm here." He just said one statement, let me recall. लोगों से ये जाके कहना कि हेमंत जेल के अंदर तो ज़रूर है, लेकिन हेमंत जिंदा है. तो that emotion, so many things, and the people were putting so much of नारा कि जेल का ताला टूटेगा, हेमंत सोरेन छूटेगा, कल्पना भाभी मत घबराना, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. So it's so much emotion was, I was overwhelmed. Actually, the very first time after this incident has happened, and I got to interact with the people of Jharkhand, especially the Karyakarta. That was a Sthapna Divas on that particular day of Giridih. So I was broke down. Was like, I was mentally prepared. I'm not going to broke down, but suddenly it just come out. The ED has come up at our home on 20th also, 20th of January, and then by this, the 31st was the day they have come at the home, especially for the interrogation, and we were like pretty much assured, like, okay, they will have their interrogation and they'll go. And but suddenly, what was happened? They said that we are going to arrest him, and it was evening time. We were shocked, like, what? Like the previous meeting, they said, okay, this we have to make an statements, and then after that we will leave. But on that particular time, the 31st, that was completely shocked. We were not in a very good mind of state कि हम क्या करेंगे. But sir has handled, उन्होंने जो अपना resignation दिया and अपना समर्थन पत्र दिया. So I was pretty much sit back, because sir might be having a very strong heart and mind, लेकिन on that particular night मेरा I was very, very petrified. The land nature is completely a bhumiyari. इसको ना बेचा जा सकता है. It cannot be purchased. No one can purchase this one. So if that land cannot be purchased and sell, so how can any person, not about my husband, how can any person can have their own name, not the landowner names? So how Hemant Soren has the owner of that land first, and the second is there is not any documents even been seen. So if they are saying कि ये भ्रष्टाचारी है, इन्होंने ये किया है, just show us the proof. Before the 2019, the BJP government was there, so they used to call it a double engine sarkar. And even if the people were so much satisfied, you tell me, after completion of 5 years, which you have done in 2014 to 2019, if the people were so satisfied, why would they have chosen Hemant ji and this India Gadbandhan Sarkar? This is actually the answer, because people already understood the 5 Sarkar, okay, the 5-year Sarkar they have completed, but they haven't satisfied any people of Jharkhand. They haven't enriched the program, especially for the younger girls, for the especially women, house, food, pension. They haven't done anything. and that is the reason they are mostly afraid from Hemant ji. So we are mentally strong, physically strong, and emotionally strong. So that is the reason we are fighting this election confidently, and definitely we'll come out with the 14 on 14. I think the 30th, yes, the 30 was the meeting, 30 January was the meeting. And he said there is nothing like that. Who said? The media person, they are just making the rumors like the Kalpana Soren will become this and that. And Hemant didn't say anything like that. And even though there is nothing about the chief minister, because right now as the Hemant ji has proposed the name of our senior leader Champai Soren ji, and now he is leading our state and he is a chief minister, and we are so happy under his guidance. We are fulfilling all the dreams which is dreamt by the Hemant ji.
So this possibility was not discussed?
No, not at all, not at all. My father is a retired army officer, so we always have that organized and the disciplined life. I'm blessed, like, because he was in army, so I have been to the very different states of India. We are basically from Orissa. My father always taught me, like, don't be afraid, because being an army officer, na, it's like you have to take your own stand. Don't be afraid. So this is in a combination from my childhood, which I get it, and my father have served really very well. So he has served himself as a warrior. So being a child of an army person, being a child of a warrior, I'm also become a warrior. Yes, definitely. Actually, I'm telling you, ma'am, Draupadi ma'am was a governor of Jharkhand, and we used to meet on some special occasions. And especially being a tribal person, we really admire her. And she is a very genuine. She is so humble. She is very approaching lady. So I really admire her. Because I cannot say, it's not about like the ma'am is there. She is our president. I really respect her. She is the first citizen of India also. But being on the side of central government, I think the Manipur incident has happened. That is a very hard impact. That is a very deep impact on every Adivasi's person, because as you can see, it's still burning, and it's been a year, and on that topic no one is talking about. Only why the India Gathbandhan? Why not the NDA person? Because it's all the Asmita, it's all about the Astitva of tribal people also. Actually, he is not an accidental CM. He may be an accidental politician, because during that time in 2009, my elder brother-in-law, Hemant's elder brother, we lost him in 2009, and on that particular time, my father-in-law went through a surgery. In that critical situation, our something has happened in such a way. We have lost one important member of our family, and by the time the head of the family is not in good shape. He was underwent a surgery, and in that critical situation, Hemant ji has to take the responsibility, because there is no one. And it was a, I always says, राजनीति ने इनको चुना है, इन्होंने राजनीति नहीं चुनी है. And this is the thing. In that critical situation, Hemant has come up as a strong person, as a strong leader, and everyone in the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha supported him. I'm telling you, the confidence has come from the Adivasi DNA. So this confidence is always given by my parents, my father-in-law, mother-in-law, and the family, my husband. So I think might be we are different, but we are still together, and still together in a sense like this fight which now we are facing. We are still together, always be together, because the family means itself. Whatever the situation, whatever the circumstances will be there, the family have to be with each other. So we are just making a very good bond, and this situation has created what is important for ourselves. Whether we have to be you or you want to merge with anyone else. So we have chosen ourselves. This is because my sister-in-law, she is elder, and she is quite good enough to take her decisions in her own terms, and whatever she has done, this is her own personal view, so I don't want to comment on that, but just I want to say the best wishes to her. Before the rally also I just met her na, so it was the same emotion is running between the two women, and basically don't worry, just we have to stand strong. Why? Because they feel the lady cannot do anything, and because our husband are so strong person, so being ma'am you and I have to become a strong lady. This is a fight and we have to live it for them, because जब हमारे हेमंत जी झुके नहीं, हमारे अरविंद केजरीवाल जी झुके नहीं, तो हम लोग तो किसी हालत में झुक नहीं सकते हैं. एंड ऑलवेज जैसे वो यहाँ रांची में भी आए, तो वी हैव द सेम फीलिंग कि मतलब कि अरे आप वी आर जस्ट विद यू, एंड द अरविंद केजरीवाल इज़ विद द झारखंड. जब दिल्ली में कोरोना के समय में ऑक्सीजन की कमी हुई, तो हेमंत जी ने अपने यहाँ से दिल्ली के लोगों के लिए यहाँ से ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर भी भेजा था. सो वी हैव दैट कनेक्शंस. और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि हमारी जितनी भी पार्टीज़ है, वी सपोर्ट ईच अदर. वी हैव दैट ह्यूमन स्पिरिट. This is a very first meeting with ma'am, Sonia ma'am, and I'm so excited also and so thrilled also, because she is also a warrior. The circumstances which she has been into through her life, about her family, about her husband, about her mother-in-law. So she is a very strong personality. Oh no. No. Right now, my full concentration and full focus is especially for the people of Gandhi. I definitely go forward, and if I'll get this chance, and if I know myself, I can do this.